This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chelseateissparr Trio. Cute 3-bedroom/2-bath home situated on cul-de-sac. Laminate flooring throughout living room with built-in shelves and sliding doors out to backyard. Kitchen has refrigerator, range and dishwasher and opens to breakfast nook. The bedrooms have carpet and nice neutral paint. New roof 2024. HVAC 2022. Large fenced backyard. 1-car carport with storage area that houses included washer and dryer. Lawn care included with rent. For more information, review the details below.